sat down with some people from Kainai Board of Education, and we started talking about, hey, let's put this art workshop together with Blackfoot artists. How do you guys want to do it? And so right away they suggested to us, well, why don't we do all these different types of art? And we were like, that sounds great. And we pulled together different artists from the surrounding communities, both from here in Kainai and then from Piikani and Amskapi Piikani. Brought them all here to share their art with the kids. And so we ended up with maybe 10 or 12 different types of art and activities that the kids could engage in.
Yesterday I taught the kids a little about the history of ledger art, how Blackfeet were involved with ledger art, and then taught them how to draw a buffalo step by step and let them draw what they want added to it. I also had them name their buffalo and kind of learned who they were too as well.
Leather work was a little bit tough to get at the beginning. They weren't too sure about the leather work, but once they got in there and they started to do the leather work itself, they started to actually really appreciate the leather and feeling like the smell of the leather, cutting up the leather, painting on the leather. They really enjoyed it.
Blackfoot art is empowering because as the students learn about the process of creating different mediums, they also learn about the culture themselves, like the symbols behind it, what they mean, connecting to the stories, and why it's so important to put these images out there.
I've been very impressed with the wellness and recreational and art outreach we've seen here at TMS the last 2 days. We always struggle with new ideas and creative activities that ground our First Nations children to their culture and give them an opportunity to find something really engaging and exciting and interesting. And so it's been so nice to see what these last 2 days have brought. And so you're doing something very special and deep and meaningful and therapeutic without really threatening them or challenging them in a very negative way. It's very positive and it's very fun, and they don't even realize that they're learning something new because they're having so much fun.
I really appreciate this program that they're bringing into our school and our nation. I think a lot of times too is that we need to start figuring out what the kids are good at. Some of them have hidden talents. And I think that if we can be able to really encourage that and praise that, and then maybe we can find those kind of healthy ways of dealing with personal self-care. And it's really good to actually have our kids there. And no matter what they do, it's either art, singing, dancing, anything that they do, drumming. I think that we need to encourage all of those things for our kids, just to get a healthier nation for our people.
I've not seen these kids so particularly older kids, so turned on and engaged and really focused on what they were doing, and it gave us all some inspiration and some ideas for things we could do in the future as we consider life skills and project-based learning to complement the other amazing Blackfoot-based academics we do here. So thank you guys for coming our way. It's made a big difference, and it certainly energized our group here to continue to consider the variety of activities that are so culturally special. So thank you for making that happen. I've certainly myself enjoyed it, and it certainly encouraged me to think outside the box. So thank you for doing that. Much appreciated.